I'm quite happy to say I found the world's smallest ironing board. It's practical and a lovely metal plate. And fortunately, it sounds like this when you hit it. I'll take it. That was possibly the most underwhelming sound I've ever heard to a clank. Andy, what have you brought today?
This is a coin. An English pound coin. Very large. Very useless. I'm going to hit it with the wrong end of a mallet. So all you mallet aficionados, I know you're out there. Do not worry, I know what I'm doing. It's for art.
Just your artistic interpretation of patterns. Oh, I see.
Is my any budding Rembrandts in the room want to have a go? You can tell Colin McGuinness had a go at this fruit bowl. Can anybody? Who's using that?
And now.
Avocados. Great. Try and make something funny out of that. Where's my hammer?
Where's my hammer?
There's my hammer.
Oh,
I didn't realise you were eating the banana. Alright. I'm gonna sing you a song about blacksmithing. I thought to make a horseshoe and asked my hammer thus. He said, I'll ask the anvil what you require of us. The hammer asked the anvil, and she had once agreed that they should meet together in the way that I decreed. And it's sparks are flying, passion strong. I am the blacksmith singing the hammer and the anvil song. I thought to make an anchor for taking on the main. The hammer and the anvil relented once again. So they sat there together as I prepared the cast. They braced themselves for impact like a sailor on the mast. And it's sparks are flying, passion strong. I am the blacksmith singing the hammer and the anvil song. I thought to make a broadsword for fighting on the field, just as I know the hammer is a nobler thing to wield. And though as humble tradesfolk choose a quiet life, the gods of war come to the door of the hammer and his wife. And it's sparks are flying, passion strong. I am the blacksmith singing the hammer and the anvil song. Go on then, I might as well get rid of some bananas. This feels like a bit of Mad Max there. Bananas for everyone. I know. Last banana. I'm anticipating the sign my banana. Well, it's fine. We've had fake legs before. We've had all sorts of things. Bananas seems like a doddle. Anyway, where were we? They asked me for a statue of a general who died, a sword raised in his iron fist and a war horse sat astride. And though I knew they'd try me for what I did decide, I stuck a hammer in his fist and an anvil by his side. And it's sparks are flying, passion strong. I am the blacksmith singing the hammer and the anvil song. Now all you merry blacksmiths, a warning take by me. Stick to your country horseshoes and your anchors for the sea. For the gods of war come calling, promising you gold. They'll take your hammer, take your anvil, take your very soul. And it's sparks are flying, passion strong. I am the blacksmith singing the hammer and the anvil song. And it's sparks are flying, passion strong. I am the blacksmith singing the hammer and the anvil.